In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Trello. We'll use Trello's built-in automation, often called Butler, to send an email automatically when a card hits a specific stage in your workflow. By the end, you'll have a reliable rule that fires on its own, so you can spend less time nudging people and more time moving work forward. Start by opening Trello and heading to your board's view. Then open the board where you want this to run. At the top of the board, click Automation. This opens the automation dashboard. From here, go to the Rules section. Rules are simple. You define a trigger that starts things and an action that happens because of it. Click Create Automation to begin a new rule. Now click Add Trigger. For most email workflows, a common trigger is when a card is moved into a particular list, like Ready to Send or Done. Choose the list name that should kick off your email and confirm. If you're ever unsure which list to use, pick the point in your process where an email truly needs to go out. Earlier is noisy, later might be too late. When the trigger looks right, hit the plus sign to add it to your rule. Next, select Action. This is where you tell Trello to send the email. In the action picker, look for the email option. Depending on your plan and setup, you may see options to send an email notification or send an email to a specific address. Choose the one that fits your needs. Compose a clear subject and message. Use card variables to keep it dynamic. Things like the card name, due date, or a link to the card help recipients understand exactly what you're asking for without back and forth. If the action you choose asks you to reference a list for context, choose the list name here as prompted. When the action details look good, click the plus sign to add it. Finally, click Save to lock in the rule. Saving activates it for this board, and it will run for anyone who moves cards through that trigger based on your board permissions and plan limits. To test, create a sample card and move it into the trigger list. Give it a moment, then check the recipient inbox to confirm the message arrived. If you don't see it, review the trigger list, the action details, and any plan limits. Small tweaks, like refining your subject line or adding a link to the card, can dramatically improve clarity. That's it. Your Trello board now sends emails automatically, keeping your workflow consistent and your team informed without manual follow-up.